and welcome back to my channel. Yes, there is a hair change. I had a Britney moment, literally. I have my face done, eyebrows done, because when I got home today from class, this is like 4 o'clock, I knew I was getting a package from ColourPop because I just became an ambassador for them. But I was not expecting the giant, almost 2-foot tall box that was there. And then I'm talking to my friend Jordan who dropped me off. I was like, bitch, no. She's like, what? I was like, if that's what I think it is, I'm going to shit my pants. And guess what? Guess what? It was the Urban Decay Naked Cherry collection. Look at that. This is my second PR package from Urban Decay. As you know, my first one in a previous video was the Elements palette, but this time I got the whole collection, and I'm just thankful because I am a smaller artist on social media, on Instagram, especially here on YouTube, and this means so much that Urban Decay sees something in me to want to send me PR. So thank you so much, Urban Decay. I really appreciate it. And I want to dive in with this review. Well, actually, I just want to dive in and just play. I'm not really going to do review or swatch because there's already so many reviews out there. I just want to dive in, paint my face, and give my thoughts. So let's do that. So the first thing I am going to dive into is, in fact, the highlight and blush palette. It looks like this. It's cute. You get 3 colors and the blush in the center. My only problem with this particular type of packaging is I don't like it to mix. I don't know. I kind of just wish these were like individual, but these are gorgeous shades. Very pretty. And I am going to use the blush. Just gotta find a right brush. You know what I'm saying? Probably not. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's coming on the brush. It's very kind of subtle. And then, like I normally do, going to blend into my contour. Okay, I did this. My wig just fell. I am now going to mix the 2 highlighter shades. I'm going to apply this one on first and then top it with this one to kind of see what kind of glow I can get. I am using my Baramona Cake and Gloss brush. Love this brush. This definitely does provide a nice glow to the skin. I am here for it. And I'm kind of using the lightest shade just as a topper. Oh, that is pretty. Sing it with me. Available now on iTunes. Ooh, my camera's shaking. Stop. In the name of love. To lock that all in, I am going to be using the Cherry Scented Travel Size All Nighter Spray. Tell me why they do this. Why is there 2 caps? Just use the one. Definitely smells like cherry, like it says. It's not too strong in my opinion. I know in Jackie's review, which I was literally watching Jackie Ina's review last night before going to sleep. And then today, this is on my doorstep. Like, she blessed me somehow. I love you, Jackie Ina. Thank you. I don't find it as overpowering as Jackie said, but for me it's comfortable. So I did go ahead and swatch the lips for you. The bottom shade is the shade Cherry. This in the middle is the shade Devilish, and the top shade is the shade Juicy. Now, these are all great. I love them. The only thing is, I wish the shade Cherry was a little more red instead of a little darker. I don't know. But I am going to be using the shade Juicy on my lips just because I want something natural on the lips so I can do something crazy with the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that off camera and I'll be right back. So now we're going to dive into the palette. The packaging is probably my favorite Naked palette packaging. She looks like this, 12 gorgeous shades, and I'm obsessed. And I'm ready to play. So I am going to be taking my Furless Pro 7E. I'm going to be going in with a shade right here called Juicy as my transition shade. Oh, this is such a cute color. Now on a Makeup Geek Soft Dome Brush, I am going to be taking the shade Devilish, one of my favorite shades in this palette, and we are going to use that to deepen the crease. Yes, ma'am. I am now going to take the darkest shade, which is called Privacy, wherever you're from. And I will be applying that all over the lid. On top of that, in the center, I am going to take the shade Bang Bang. He shot me down, bang bang. And I'm going to spritz that with my setting spray. And we're just going to pop that right in the center. Now, since Bang Bang is the lightest shimmer shade, I am going to go back into that highlighting palette and take the lightest shade and use that with my setting spray and pop that in the inner corner. To finish up the eyeshadow, I am going in with the shade Bing and putting that everywhere underneath the eye. And the eyeshadow is done. In the collection, there are two 24/7 eye pencils. I'm going to be using the darkest shade, Black Market, on the waterline. Alright, only thing left to do is to throw on some mascara and some lashes, and I will be right back. Ooh, I bet you guys weren't expecting this when I came back on the camera. I am obsessed with this. This wig is by Nala Rose Beauty, who also did these lashes. But this is the finished look. I really love the way this came out. I am living for the colors in this palette. Like everyone else who has like a mild complaint, I do wish there was like an actual just red shade. But other than that, this palette is a 10 out of 10, and thank you again so much, Urban Decay, for sending this to me. I love you guys so much, and if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell so you get notified every time I upload. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys want me to do next. I also got a CoverGirl PR package in the mail, and then I also got a ColourPop PR package in the mail just because I became an ambassador with them. Let me know down in the comments, and until next time guys, bye!